Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn Flash Fill feature in Excel. It's an amazing feature which automatically fills your data when it senses a pattern, and it will save your time as you don't have to write formula or VBA. Flash Fill tool is available in both Home tab and Data tab. If the feature is not visible, go to File, click Options. In the Excel options box, click Advanced and make sure that Automatically Flash Fill option is selected. Now in the sheet, I have created a table having full name, organization and address, and we want to extract or combine the data using Flash Fill. To use Flash Fill, first you have to type one or more examples, and then Excel will automatically identify the pattern and fill the remaining rows. There are 5 ways to use the Flash Fill feature, which we will use in the examples. Now in column D, we want to show first name from the given full name. Before using Flash Fill, type first name, make sure the spelling is correct, press enter. To use Flash Fill, go to Home tab. In the editing, click on Fill and select Flash Fill, and Excel will fill the remaining rows. Similarly, for last name, type the last name. So for first full name, the last name is Jen, press enter. Now in the second row, start typing last name. When you start typing, Excel will show automatically the last name for all rows. Press enter and the remaining rows will be filled automatically. Now to show email ID, we will use full name and organization. Type first name dot second name at the rate organizationname.com. Now to use Flash Fill, go to Data tab and click Flash Fill option. The remaining rows will be filled automatically. Now in column G, we want to show the name in uppercase. So we'll type first name, which is Saurabh, in uppercase, press enter. Now click the cell and in the bottom right, double click to autofill the remaining rows. In the autofill options, select Flash Fill and Excel will automatically fill the rows. Now in column H, we want to show initials from the full name. Type initials, press enter, press Ctrl E and the remaining rows will be filled by Excel automatically. Now in column I, we want to show the address in different form. I am rewriting the address. So 23 oblique 2, and then for next row in the same cell, I'm pressing Alt Enter. City name, again press Alt Enter. Pin code, press Enter. To use Flash Fill, again I'm pressing Ctrl E, which is the shortcut key, and the format for other cells will automatically change by Excel. Now in column J, we want to extract the pin code from the address given in column C. Type the pin code, press enter. I'm changing the font size and font color. Press Ctrl E for flash fill feature and Excel will automatically extract the pin code for the remaining cells. In this video, we have learned how to use flash fill option to save time while working in Excel. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and share your feedback, queries and suggestion in comment section.